today's video, we're going to be talking about how to properly clean and take care of your brand new lash extensions. We all know that lash extensions, they can be a pretty penny, so of course you want to protect your investment. And the way to do that is not only finding a great lash tech, but also taking care of your lash extensions. So when I first started getting my lashes done years ago, I did not properly take care of them and it caused way more fill-ins than necessary. I would clean my face, but I wouldn't brush them the way that you're supposed to, and I wouldn't go ahead and actually clean my lashes. I was just afraid that I was going to be too rough with them and cause them to fall out. Reality was they were falling out because I wasn't taking care of them the way that I was supposed to. So that's what we're going to be going over in today's video. So I just got a brand new set of lashes from the Luxury Lash Studio in Galloway, New Jersey. If you're watching this, you probably also got a brand new set of lashes, so congrats. And you're probably wondering how to take care of them. So let's get into the video. So let's first talk about the day that you get your eyelashes done. So you don't want to get your lashes wet for the first 24 hours. All you want to do is comb your lashes the night of or the day of getting your eyelashes done. So you just want to comb through them. Make sure there's no tangles, because when there's tangles, that can put like stress on your lashes and make them come out easier. It's important to comb your lashes at least twice a day for the remaining time that you have your lashes. Also, when you are in the shower, avoid letting the shower head point directly onto your face because the pressure of the water can be too strong for your lashes. Now, something that a lot of people don't mention is getting a silk pillowcase. You probably hear silk pillowcases and how they're good for hair breakage, like to prevent hair breakage. Same idea with your lash extensions. The silk pillowcase will just be much more smoother when you're sleeping on them. They won't tug on your lashes. I got mine on Amazon. They were super cheap. I'll leave a link in the description box so that way you guys can check them out. Let's talk about removing our makeup with lash extensions and also cleaning our face and the products that you can use. So you want to stay away from anything that is oil based. I'm going to be using the Micellar Cleansing Water, and this is the one with the green top for sensitive skin. Since this was something that I already had, I did want to double check with Ashley from the Luxury Lash Studio. She said that it was fine to use. I'm just going to remove my mascara underneath my eye and also the rest of my makeup on my face, and then I'm going to clean my face. If I were wearing eyeshadow, I would also clean up here, but today I am not. But just so that way you guys can see. As far as a cleanser, I'm going to be using the Fresh Foaming Cleanser from Neutrogena. This isn't like, it doesn't have the same type of foam pump, but it does foam up. It does foam up just like a regular foam cleanser. So when it comes to this is going to be hard to do. You just want to gently clean your lashes. Like, all right, after this I can't open my eye, so you just want to gently clean your lashes. Just gently go down and then clean the rest of your face. Same thing when you are rinsing your lashes, just gently go like this, down. Do not pull at all. Like, I'm barely like touching them. I'm just going down. Getting rid of the soap is just as important, I got soap on my eye, as cleaning your face. The soap can harm the glue, so be sure to get rid of all of the soap. So be careful with drying your face, of course, because of your lashes. You don't want to tug on your lashes at all. I'm going to be using this little portable fan. This is totally optional. I personally don't like to use a towel on my face, and that is because I got cellulitis in my eye last year. I don't know exactly what it's from, but the nurses at the hospital were saying be sure not to use the towel that you use on your body on your face. Towels, even though you wash them, they still can harbor bacteria. So that's why I'm using this little handheld fan. This is the same type of fan that they use when you get your lashes done. It is cold. It does wake you up. Using a little eyelash spoolie, I'm just going to comb through my lashes, going through the bottom, and then also combing on the top. So they're still a little bit wet, that's why they're sticking. But this is what my lashes look like after, it's almost been 2 weeks since I've had them done. So the better you take care of your lashes, the longer they are gonna last. That's why it's super important to take care of your lashes. A few more tips when it comes to your lash extensions. You don't want to use an eyelash curler. Don't apply lashes on top of them. And most importantly, no mascara. You do not want to use mascara. You're just going to ruin your lashes. For those in the South Jersey area, if you are looking for a new lash tech, check out the Luxury Lash Studio in Galloway, New Jersey. It's right outside of Atlantic City. Just let her know that Christina sent you and you will receive $30 $10 off your first set of lashes. I don't receive anything from this. This is all for you guys. So be sure to check her out or follow the Luxury Lash Studio on Instagram. If you guys have any tips that maybe I didn't mention in this video, leave them in the comments below so that way we can share the knowledge. And if you guys want to see more videos, be sure to subscribe right here and check out more videos right here.